Again. Again. No, I buy for you already. No, no, no. Ask them. They have all the money. They win the prize. Kuya, right there. My bodyguards today, huh? Walk, walk. Come on. Always eating. Every time I see, every 5 minutes you're buying foods. Stop buying foods. Voila. Kuya, your kid's here. Come on. Come on. Help me out here. Nice to see you again.
Booyah!
Kuya. Booyah, Kuya.
Booyah!
Kuya, booyah. Are you my bodyguard? You're gonna protect me? Oh, hey, no, no fighting allowed. What you want now? Oh. Rice? Every 5 minutes you want rice. Ask. I tell you, they got all the money. I tell you, they win the money today. They have the money. Ask. Ask, Kuya. What? You already buy your food earlier. You only want money so you can buy cigarettes.
No, me.
Here, customer, here.
No.
Yes.
No smoking.
Why do you ask me? I have no money. I'm broke. I'm Cheap Charlie, Curry Mao. Oh, Curry Mao. Understand? Kau Jai? Huh? What? Food right there. There's the foods. Hey, watch. Hey, be nice. Be nice. Here, go inside there. Wait, voila. Are you going to work now? She's not answering. Have a look. Hey. I'm not sure. What do they do? Oh yeah, they're building a new stadium there right now. Wings. Red Wings. Yeah. What are you going to consult? What are you going to consult? What are you going to do there? Oh. That'll give you something to do.